Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3. You forgot one.
The grandparents.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Armand. Armand.
I gotta put this on Facebook. I gotta show the world.
This kid's rowdy. Where's
Man, Romeo, he's one now.
I know.
Pretty soon he's gonna be 18, getting ready to get out the house.
I know. He's already trying to get out of my arms. He'll be leaving the house soon.
Oh no! Oh man. He's a super trooper.
I know. All right, he's getting rowdy, babe. We gotta let him down or something. Where's his slippers?
Here's one over here. I don't know where the other one is.
Yeah.